Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan, HassToFix. Today's video is about how to make Windows operating system faster and improve performance. I've got 7 great tips for you guys to follow. So let's go to step 1, power option. So go to start menu and search for power option. And then go down to, as you can see, make sure to select high performance. And then go back. When you finish, the next step is start up apps. So right click on the taskbar on Task Manager and then go to start up. In this list where you have to disable unwanted apps. So disable it once you click on it and click disable. The ones you don't need to use. But make sure do not disable antivirus and Microsoft apps. Make sure you don't disable these ones. It's going to help you to speed up the process. The other ones, unwanted apps. So when you disable them. And the third step is Defragment. And the start menu and search Defragment and optimize drive and select. In here, what you need to do is select your C drive where your operating system is. Click on it. And then click on optimize. You just have to wait for a little bit for the defragmentation to finish. When it's done, and then close the window. And the fourth step is disk cleanup. Right click on your location C drive and select properties and then click disk cleanup. This is only going to clean up all the temporary files that you don't need. This will help. All the junk mails and all that stuff that you don't need will delete. It will show you the temporary files. You can see. You can tick the ones. Click system file. Just 1 second. It's going to finish. And then click on OK. And then delete files. And the next step is, fifth step, video settings. So go to settings and type system information. Click system. And then go to advanced settings. And then go to click where it says performance. As you can see, click on settings. And here what we're going to do is we're going to change option to go to adjust best performance. Tick on it. And also you can enable some of the features by selecting them. I'm going to select show shadows under window on the mouse pattern, and then apply, and then click OK. OK again. And the next one is temporary file delete. So go to start, type run, open the run command. Here you have to type %tempt temper, and then press Ctrl+A to select all items, and the right click to delete. Again, go to start menu, go to run, type run again, select the run, and then type TEMP, temp, and then continue, and then do the same thing again, Ctrl+A to select all of them, and then delete, and then go back to run again, and then this time type prefetch, type prefetch, and then once you open it, do the same thing, delete it, Ctrl+A and press delete. These are just temporary files that you don't need. And the next final step is hide Windows services. So go to start and then type run, and then this time type msconfig, and then press OK. And this time you need to go to services, and then go down at the bottom where you can see hidden or hide all Microsoft services. Don't disable, just hide them. So when your computer is open, when you put your laptop on, it doesn't give you the problem. So the last one is run again, run command, and here where you need to type is Regedit, and then click OK. In the left bar where you need to select this H key current user, and then go down to control panel, and then scroll down, click on mouse, and then on the mouse what you need to do is click mouse, double click on it, and then change the number to 10, and then click OK. And then go down one more. This is just going to make it faster for the mouse to move. And then scroll down, click on desktop, and on desktop what we're going to change is, scroll down, menu show delete, and then put 10 to, and then click OK, and then just refresh the page. I hope this helps you guys. If you like the videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and make sure you share this video as much as you can. Thanks, bye.